BMW India has launched its popular SUV BMW X5 SportX variant. BMW India has introduced a new SportX variant to its X5 SUV lineup in the country. The new BMW X5 xDrive 30D SportX is the brand's latest entry-level model, replacing the outgoing xDrive 30D Sport trim. The new BMW X5 SportX trim is priced slightly higher at Rs 74.90 Lakh ex-showroom India. The 2020 BMW X5 is now offered in three variants: xDrive 30D SportX, xDrive 30D xLine and xDrive 40i M Sport. The BMW X5 SportX and the xLine variants are both offered with the same diesel engine, producing the identical power and torque figures. This comes in a form of a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder unit churning out 265 bhp at 4000 rpm and 620 Nm of peak torque at 1500 rpm. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. There is also a petrol engine offered on the BMW X5, however, this is limited to the SUV's top spec xDrive 40i M Sport model. This engine comes in the form of a 3.0-liter twin-turbo petrol unit, producing 340 bhp at 5500 rpm and 450 Nm of torque at 1500 rpm, mated to the same 8-speed automatic gearbox. All three variants come with BMW's xDrive technologies. Safety features on offer with the BMW X5 SportX include multiple airbags, ABS, cornering brake control, dynamic stability control, traction control, attentiveness assistance, side impact protection, electric parking brake with auto hold, hill descent control and others. The new BMW X5 xDrive SportX variant is offered in a range of three colors: black sapphire, phytonic blue and mineral white.